I built an AI receptionist in n8n that reads booking emails, checks my real Google Calendar, books the appointment, and replies to the customer automatically. No custom backend, no server, built in about 30 minutes. And it costs almost nothing to run. Here's how it works. A customer sends an email asking for a booking. The workflow reads the email, checks my Google Calendar, sends the details to OpenAI, and asks one simple question. Is this time available? If the slot is free, it creates the calendar event and sends a confirmation email. If the slot is already taken, it replies with 3 alternative times instead. The tools you need are simple: n8n, Gmail, Google Calendar, and an OpenAI account with API key. Let's build it. First, create a new workflow in n8n and call it AI Booking Receptionist. The first node is a Gmail trigger. Set it to run when a new email is received. This is what wakes up the automation whenever a customer sends a booking request. Connect your Gmail account, then fetch a test email so you can check the fields. You'll need the customer's message and the sender's email address. In my workflow, the email body is called snippet and the sender is called from, but your fields may be slightly different. The second node is a Google Calendar and select Get Many Events. This pulls your existing calendar events so the AI can see what's already booked. Set the start time to now, so it only checks upcoming events. For a busy calendar, you can limit this to the next 7 days or a week. Now we add the brain of the workflow. Our third node is the OpenAI node and select Message a Model. Use a model like GPT-4o Mini and set the temperature to 0. We want reliable booking decisions, not creative writing. The system prompt is the most important part. Tell the AI exactly what to do. Read the customer's requested time. Compare it with the booked calendar slots. If there is no clash, confirm the booking. If there is a clash, suggest 3 available alternatives. Then return the result in a fixed format. For example, booking status, confirmed or suggested. Requested time, confirmed time. This fixed format makes the next step much easier. In the user message, send 3 things to the AI. First, the customer's email message from Gmail. Second, the booked slots from Google Calendar. Third, today's date, including the weekday, so the AI understands phrases like this Friday or next Monday. Fourth node is our code node. We select code in JavaScript to turn the AI's labeled response into clean fields. This code node reads the output from the OpenAI. The key rule is simple. The labels in your prompt and the labels in your code must match exactly. Here is some JavaScript which reads output response from OpenAI and splits it into separate fields and returns as a JSON response to use in next steps. Our fifth node is if node. Does booking status from previous node equal confirmed? If yes, the workflow goes down the confirmed path, which is our sixth node. Select Google Calendar to create an event. Here we select Google Calendar account and resource event and operation create. And for calendar from list, select the relevant calendar. And then for start time, select the start time of the booking from the code JSON response. Add 1 hour to it to make it an end time, and add a summary of what needs to be stored in Google Calendar event. Now add our 7th node, Google Email node, to send the confirmation email back to the customer. In to field, we add customer email from Google Trigger, our first node. That's why naming of nodes is very important. For subject line, we add confirmed booking and the date from the code JSON response. And in email body, we add the confirmed booking details from the code JSON response and send it back to the customer. And that's it for confirmed path. We will move to the next path. On the other path where the booking is not available, our 8th node is Google Email node and select Send Email and send the customer the alternative times suggested by the AI. And that's the complete workflow. Gmail receives the request. Google Calendar checks availability. OpenAI makes the booking decision. The code node cleans the response. The if node splits the flow. Google Calendar creates the booking. Gmail sends the reply. Now let's test it. I already have one booking on my calendar for Tuesday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. First, I send an email from another inbox asking, I'd like to book a swimming lesson on Monday at 4 p.m. The workflow runs, checks the calendar, sees that 4 p.m. is free, creates the event, and sends a confirmation email. Now I send another email asking for Tuesday at 3 p.m. This time the slot is already booked. The AI spots the clash and replies with 3 alternative times. The best part is that it checks the live calendar every time, so it doesn't just avoid the original booking, it also avoids new bookings than the workflow created itself. That's what makes it feel like a real receptionist. Connect this same workflow to a booking form so the data comes in structured from the start. But even with email, this is powerful. The full workflow file is linked in the description. Import it, connect Gmail, Google Calendar, and OpenAI, and you can have your own AI receptionist running in minutes. In the next video, I'll show how to connect this to a booking form and handle cases where two customers ask for the same slot at the same time. Thanks for watching. Do follow me for new updates or comment below if you have any questions or want me to build something else.